Alright, we're in the guys because it's freezing outside and raining. So the first thing of our AliExpress parcels that we're going to do is the sat-nav mount. So originally when I bought the bike, it had a phone mount on here, on this tank mount. I took that off and put my sat-nav mount on, but as you can see, it's that's just rubbish, it's not good at all. So I've received my rather nice Z1000SX bracket, which goes up there, and I'm going to put a phone mount on this stem. But for now, let's sort out this sat-nav bracket. So the first thing to do is take the screen off, and that's just 4 simple little Allen bolts or hex bolts, 4mm spanner. Four balls. It's captive thread on the other side, so there's no nut to worry about. There's little plastic washers. Don't use them because they protect the screen. So this bracket will just simply mount to those 4 holes on the inside. Oh no then, to run the wires. I'll put the wires through that little gap there, I think, and underneath. So let's take this off and see where we can put the wires. So through the top hole, just there, it's going to be a bit awkward I think, but we'll have a go at this. I have to take the cover off after all. It's coming through now. That's the main wires through. Then we've got these intercom wires, which are part of the Garmin Zoom setup, which is a bit of a funny thing. Bit fiddly. What have we got there? Alright, so I'm just going to quickly just check the operation of this. Yeah, so the wires aren't getting in the way, that's okay. Leave a little bit of slack on that, and we'll just take this mount off. We're not going to use the ball mount, we're going to bolt it straight to the bracket. So the 4 holes just line up with the bracket. I'll just stick them in now. That's the Garmin Zoom mount fitted to the bracket. I think we'll put this on next, otherwise it might be a bit fiddly. If we put that on first, it might be a bit fiddly getting all these into the screen on, so we'll put this bracket on next. Try and judge where the screen goes. I don't know if the top hole will get away in the screen. I think it will. That's a tricky one. Bottom hole is too flat, wouldn't be able to see it. Middle hole, I think we'll go for the middle hole. Or the bottom hole. So the bottom hole would be. Oh, it wouldn't be too bad actually. It would be more upright facing myself. Let me see what it looks like. Yeah. Oh, actually, yeah. Might have to be the top hole. If I have that one on the middle hole, I think this is going to hit the screen. So yeah, we'll go for the top hole on the bracket, and then fit it all together. See how it looks. Put them in the top hole. We'll do it now before I put the screen on, otherwise I think it's be a bit tricky. Again, these are locking nuts. Come on. Right, get them tightened up next. Small X bolt, Allen bolt as we call it. Right, I've just a little plastic washer to go between the metal and the screen. I prefer some rubber ones, but I'm only rubber one, so soft plastic will have to do. Just protect that screen a bit. Put some blue tack in place, keep the washers in place. I'll have another go. It's very fiddly, but just after there with me really. Try and line up a couple of the holes. Okay, it's not going to go anywhere that. And we look like we're okay on the bracket as well. The USB charge point, so it was up there, $100 wiring, brought it back down, I've put it there, so it's going to be close to my phone mount, which will be in the stem of the next video. Now I just need to route all these wires under the fan, under the tank, and back to the battery. So that's the AliExpress windscreen bracket fitted. It was actually quite simple to fit. The video probably made it a little bit more awkward because I was doing other things alongside it. But for £18, it's given me a superb position to fit my Garmin sat nav. So yeah, buy it, have a go at fitting it. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, please give me a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see more mods on the bike, and just generally what's inside this garage. Thanks for watching.